Last Friday was indeed good for the Wall Street because although S&P and Nasdaq were flat, but Dow Jones keeps on moving and keeps on rising ahead. And with a flat VIX, this is indeed a good, I would say, market that we have in front of us, irrespective of whatever people are thinking. And the most specific thing to discuss about the US economy is this highlighted section where you can see Black Friday online sales topped $9 billion in new record, which means with all the interest rate hike, people still want to spend big, and this is one of the prime example. So as of now with this kind of data, it looks like there are enough strength even with the rise of uh, interest rate hike, because if it does not happen, then obviously these kind of numbers won't have come. Now with that, let's start analyzing the chart. First of all, Dow Jones, because the Friday's close makes Dow Jones price chart very special, because with this close Dow Jones has actually made a breakout above its previous resistance of 34,300. You can now clearly see a breakout happened above 34,300, 310, and with this breakout, if Dow Jones continues to sustain now above 34,300, because this is now going to be your support and stop loss. For Dow Jones, the next target is going to be 35,417. Then we will move towards 35,842. Then we have 36,500, and the big target will be 36,950. So this is what now we are looking at. So a 2,500 point swing will open up for Dow Jones after this breakout. What you just need to make sure is Dow Jones must sustain above 34,300 or more, which it is right now. Next target, next thing will be the Nasdaq. And if you are looking at Nasdaq, even with the close that we have seen on last Friday, okay, because Nasdaq was 0.5% down, but even with that number, a small range breakout has indeed happened over here as well. So it is not about, or not only about Dow Jones, even the Nasdaq has made a breakout, and because it is trading above 11,200, you can consider this as a breakout. So what we're gonna have here, with a stop loss or support of 11,200, you need to make sure that Nasdaq must not fall below 11,200. The next couple of target will start with 11,500, then we have 11,630, and then we will move towards 12,270 on the upside. So this is now what we are looking at as far as Nasdaq chart is concerned. Let's go and check what's happening in S&P 500. For S&P 500, you can clearly see this was your range breakout, and the swing is intact. And that's very important to understand over here. So here we have a breakout above 3917, which is going to be your support and stop loss. And because it has already crossed that and sustaining above that, because last Friday S&P 500 was literally flat, minus 1.14 points. Okay, so there is hardly any movement because of the tepid session we have last Friday after the Thanksgiving day. So with a stop loss of 3917 on the downside, what we are looking here for S&P 500 will be 4121 and 4339 as far as next 2 or 3 targets are concerned. You may also include 4206, 4121 first, 4206 second, and big target of 4339 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.